Hey everybody, it's Brian. I'm going to cut down this banana tree here so you can see how it grows back. Something I get asked a lot is, how do you trim these things? Is it okay to trim them? When should I trim them? Lots of questions about what to cut off and when to cut off. And this will demonstrate the ability that these plants have to come back from a really rough trimming. Now personally, I trim these when I don't like the look of a leaf. If a leaf dries out, as leaves get older, they start to get brown, they get shredded. That's usually when I trim them off. You can always trim them off earlier than that. There's no danger in really harming the plant. It really comes down to what do you want from an aesthetics perspective. But really there's no danger in cutting off too much or cutting at the wrong time of the year. That being said, if it was going to be really hot and dry, I would probably not trim at that time. I would wait. But what I'm going to show you with this one and cutting it to the ground is trim away to your heart's content, and the plant's going to be just fine. And so with this plant, it's about a year old. I moved it over here at the beginning of this spring. It only had one leaf when I first put it over here. You can see now it's got five leaves in the original leaf. This is all that there was when I put this over here. So it's well established now, should make for a good experiment. We're going to go ahead and cut it off at the base, and then I'll provide regular updates on how it's going. So let's go ahead and cut this thing off here. Now that it's cut off, we're just going to observe it from here on out. It'll still get water on the drip, but we will let it go from here and see how it grows. Click on this video to see the next update.